Welcome to another video episode on my driving robot Discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in online mode using SSH, Secure Shell in Python. Short introduction. The robot is equipped with two front sensors, this one and that one, active sonar. Sonar is ultrasound, so used for detection of objects, but just detecting the presence, and you can't see what they actually are. Then red LED to show that it detects an object, or no, not detecting an object, covering a distance, as well as indicating that a course change like turning right or turning left is being executed. Also a motor with propeller indicating that the algorithm is being run. What is the focus on? Well, needless to say, trying to cover a distance and hopefully touching them, and that sounds like an open door, but recent experiments have shown that that is not always the case. And I want to know why things do happen, like standing still or going into a curve. Most important, or very important, counters. There's a distance that is getting smaller whenever you reach an object, and there's a counter counting the motor pulses, how much it has counted, and while the distance should get to 0, the counter should get to something, and that something is not always logical. Anyway, it has powered successfully. Let's see if I can log in and do some tests. And unfortunately, this seemingly doesn't work. So let me try this, and this is not. This is failing as well. So I have to cancel and reboot. Unfortunately. So things don't always work out the way you like. One more try. Hopefully this is going to be better. And all I can do is wait, or cancel this one and then see how it's going to be. But it's already booted, so selecting the standard user interface, because that's the only way I can get the RoboPro using or in use. So let's now see whatever happens. This works better, way better. That means that the communication is now correct. And let's now see on battery voltage, which is correct. Then I think 8 is for ultrasonic, which is 21, which sounds like correct if I move my hand. Oh yes, that is very nice. So ultrasonic works. Then this one works and this one works. So testing the electricity or the wiring is correct. Oh, I could use the motors as well. Yep. Yep. Oh no, the other way. Yeah, that works. Very good. So, with that tested, I can actually log in now. Hey, why is that working? No, why? Right. Then it helps if I have the correct IP address. And despite the fact that I didn't use the right IP address, it still doesn't work. That is strange. So, right, because I still used the wrong IP address, and this works better. But the reboot was necessary because I could not. Right, I had this one on the wrong one. I realize now. At first. So things occasionally do happen. Let's say it's a Monday morning or a Monday event. As it happens, it is a Monday. So setting the date. Fourth, and today is 8, and then 15:34. No, I need sudo. It's really Monday. That's better. So, opening the source code. Now, one of the things is that I need to have as much as possible input in the log file. And last time, yeah, I do have a lot of data in here, but if I look here, for example, it goes to screen. This goes to screen, although currently it's not active, it goes to screen. This all goes to screen. This should go to the log file because the log file is much easier accessible. So, like this, no use to do on screen because screen goes very fast. So, I think, apart from a few things, everything as much as possible should go in the data log. And I've already put a lot in there. The only thing is my code gets much longer because every print has to be replaced by 3 write actions. So that's quite a bit longer. Anyway, let's get it started. And next, when you think that you have had it all, there is this error. First time for me that I get this error anyway. I have no idea where it is or how it is, but let's try again. Anyway. Strange effects, that's for sure. hopefully this is one of the last times that I get it. Otherwise I have another problem at hand. On the other hand, while changing code is a little boring to say the least, let's run a test. Well, boring to watch, let me put it that way. This should be fine. Actually a little bit further away. Hopefully this works. Go. That goes, and this won't be a time. Yep. Okay, stop it. Because this is what happens. Then another test. Whatever happens. Willed it. Barely a touch, but no, not what I like. Okay. Okay, with respect to the hind wheel, last time as well I recall, putting it straight, hind wheel in a straight line, and you can't see that I realize. Hind wheel was like that, and now it's like that, so in a straight line. So I better keep the camera like this and go. Hopefully this is better. Seems like it. Not really an idea of what is happening now. No contact made. Why no contact? It is clearly a contact made. One more test. Again, the wheel in a straight line. And go. And then time to make some code changes. Please make it a touch. Yep. Yeah, it should make a turn. It should have made a turn. The wheel is set like this, so it is about to make such a turn, but it doesn't. Question is why. Anyway, based on this and the output, let's put a lot of things into the data file. Right, I have now changed or commented out quite a few print lines, and I have added some data writers, so written into datalog. And let's see if that is, for instance, in the very early settings, changing something. And then I see that there is one thing that I should change. Because I realize this is only printed on screen now. Let's see. Although this is the battery voltage written directly after, so that's no harm. Then putting the robot back into position, and this one is heavier than this one. Wheel in line. Let's go. Yeah, right, line 181. And that's a wrong string. And then I copied it here, so that's a wrong string too. This should be better. No, 193. Yep, right here. And that's the only thing I changed, I think, this time. I don't like the sound that early. No, certainly not. This is not what you want to see, but what I want to see as well is this. This is already odd. And what else can I find? Distance left is 350, that is alright. But here's 350 as well, and now this is strange. So this is 1 and now it is 0. How can that be? A counter counts up, not down. And now they are suddenly 2. Oh yeah, right. And then this one is 4 zeros. Then 0 1 0 0. Then next one is 0, all 0 again. Then we have 4 4 0 0. 7 7 counter. Yeah, this T doesn't matter. 7 7. What do we have more? 13 13. Okay, nice. Distance left 344. So with while count 13 13 4 4 0 0. This doesn't make sense. It counts down again. 4 4 and 2 2. This distance is nicely decreasing. Now we have 5 5 again. (11 12). Well, that may be if it is in a slight curve. 3 2. That's strange. Why is that 3 2? The former one TS was 5 5. And the former one was 2 2. So why now suddenly 3 2? And 2 1. Yeah, this is not making any sense to me. Now the distance is decreasing, I know that, but the counter is very odd. I can't trust that. Not really. Right, what I want to do now is using a Pro interface test and have them running instead of my code. So how can I do that as quickly as possible? Make them, okay, let's first test. Okay, that's backwards. I don't mind. Let it run backwards. Yep. A little bit forward. Yeah, alright. That's going fast. So, this is forward. This is forward, I hope. Yep, very much so. How can I do it at the same time? Just run it. Alright, stop. What is the difference? Big enough, I'd say. More than big enough. Alright, reset. Let's try again. Holding it, then no, not that way, this way. The other one as well. It's going too fast actually. Right. The counters are still too fast. Although now they are both in 4. Right, let's see how this works out. With the wheel right behind it. Go. How? Oh, look at that. They are going both at 3. That is not meant to be. So, in a straight line, both speed 3, and it still goes in a curve. Alright, now I do know that 2 of the same motors are never the same. Not ever. And that is why I have the motor sync in the code. And this is not synced, or is it? Are they synced? I'm not quite sure. I don't think they are. I'm 1 and 2, just motor. This is also motor. I don't think I can sync them. Anyway, with both at 3 within the diagnostics, they even don't pull. They don't have a straight line. Not good. Yeah, I can stop with this now because it's not leading anywhere, and I really have to consult the writers. On the other hand, if I read all other information on this, then development has ceased a bit, unfortunately. So let's take a look at the rest of the values. 4, 4 again, 2, 2. counters are not equal. Not equal again. Not equal. And that's the end. So let's just run again. One more time. Although I have to watch the battery pack. It says A3, this is A3 as well, so I have to be careful. One more ride, just for the fun of it. This one as well. No, not the data. This one. What does it do? Does it hit or does it stop previously? It will stop previously. No, it's hitting. Yep. And this is exactly what I want to see, although it drives on. Now it should turn again. No, it should not turn again, because right here it's not impressing it. It is touching but not impressing, so it doesn't know it has to turn. Okay, this is interesting. And I think this can go on forever. So, that's it. Ah, look at that. Look at that. I think this is a nice end. And with this result, I say thanks for watching. More tests are quite unnecessary until I have a camera back, and I have the idea that that is not going to happen anytime soon. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can follow me also at Instagram and via Twitter. Please be so kind to donate if you appreciate and like my videos. You can donate via PayPal and Wired, which is banking. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. More information about just donating and becoming a patron, and all other things I do with different projects. See my website under this video, and how you can donate, obviously. This will be continued. For now, have a nice day, and bye bye.